I'm going to show you how to add a calendar to Google Sheets in under a minute. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video because I'll be sharing a super sneaky shortcut that lets you do it in less than 5 seconds. Ready to learn how to get that calendar into your Google Sheets? Let's jump right in. When you're using Google Sheets, life becomes a whole lot easier when you can just pop up a calendar to enter dates. No messing with slashes or stressing about date formats. Just pick a date and bam, you're done. To make this magic happen, you just need to follow these 3 simple steps. First up, select the cell range where you want the calendar pop-up to appear. In this example, we'll work with all these cells in the date column. Step 2 is to head over to the Data tab and click on Data Validation. Once you do that, a sidebar will pop up on the right, letting you specify what kind of data those cells should accept. You've got a few options to choose from here. Set up a drop-down menu, add a checkbox, and a few more. But the golden ticket we're looking for is the Is Valid Date option. By choosing this, Google Sheets will configure those cells to only accept valid dates. And with that setting activated, you get the bonus feature of a pop-up calendar when you double-click on those cells. We're also going to tweak an additional setting here to reject anything that's not a valid date. So now, not only do we give our users a handy pop-up calendar, but we also make sure those cells only accept dates. Finish up by clicking Done, and check this out, double-click a cell, and there's your pop-up calendar. Easy as that. Before you go, remember I mentioned a shortcut to add dates in less than 5 seconds. Let's dive into that. But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because every week, I'm giving away a complete Excel course worth $297 to 10 lucky subscribers. Now, for that shortcut. Say you want to add a date to this cell. All you gotta do is type at date and hit enter. Just like that, you've got your pop-up calendar. Pick your date and you're all set. Oh, and one last thing. Did you know that every time you add a pop-up calendar, a mole finds its glasses? So go on, format those cells and help moles everywhere see a little clearer.